Hello, welcome to 59 Sandcastle Court. This home is equipped with an elevator, and I'd like to quickly show you how to use it. First, you'll see a display that shows which floor the elevator is currently on. If you're in the garage, press the call button and wait for the elevator to arrive. Once it gets there, enter the door code and open the door. Inside, you'll see an inner gate, which you'll need to open manually. Step inside the elevator, then close both the inner gate and the outer door. After that, press the button for the floor you'd like to go to. When you arrive, please wait until the elevator has completely stopped before opening the gate and the door. Once you step out, it's very important to close both the inner gate and the outer door behind you. If the gate is left open, other guests will not be able to call or use the elevator from a different floor. If you see the display flashing a floor number and the letter D, that means the inner gate has been left open. The number tells you which floor the elevator is on. Just go to that floor and close the inner gate and the elevator should work again. If you're using the elevator from any floor other than the garage, the steps are the same. The only difference is that you do not need to enter the door code. We hope you enjoy your stay and find the elevator convenient to use.